Today we're camping at a beach. This is one of the most beautiful beach. But it's time for lunch. I'm gonna cook some rice using the MHPOWOS 120W solar panel. So the power is gonna be completely from the sun. Here's the rice cooker. We got the rice ready. It's going to be powered by a 400-watt inverter. This rice cooker only consumes about 300 watts, and this is perfect for that. Let me hook up everything and show you what I've got. I've got the solar panel on the ground ready to be plugged in. I've got the charge controller plugged into the battery right now, and the battery is 12.7 volts. Now let's plug it in. There we go. We're charging at 13 volts. This is equal with the 10 amp 12 volt solar charge controller, and for this solar panel the maximum output I could get is about 90 watts. So take 90 divided by 13, and that's about 7 amps. So this charge controller is adequate for this application. Today is a cloudy day. Check that out. It's full of clouds all the way around. Got my rice cooker ready, and let's turn on the inverter. It is on. Now we are gonna cook. Alright, let's see what we got down here on the controller. Wow, still 13 volts. Wow, that means there's a lot of power coming from the solar panel to compensate for the load. Let's put a timer on and see how long it takes to cook this rice. Now I'm just gonna go and enjoy the beach and let the rice cooker do its thing. Beautiful day today. We are at 26 minutes and the rice cooker just turned off because it's done. And the battery voltage 12.9 volt. That is pretty cool. So there you go. This panel is plenty enough to cook rice. You can see the rice cooking LED just turned off and the keep warm LED turned on. That means it's done cooking. So now I just have to wait for the rice to actually cook for a few minutes. I give it a few minutes for the rice to soften. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, whew, steaming. That's beautifully cooked. Check that out. Yep, all free energy from the sun. How cool is that? Time for lunch. Check this out. Best lunch ever.